Hello, good afternoon. The majority of planned surgery and outpatient hospital appointments across the Southern Health Trust are cancelled today after significant IT issues caused a major incident yesterday. Sites across the Trust, including at Craigavon area and Daisy Hill hospitals, were disrupted. The Trust say all systems have now been restored and will be reconnected in a phased manner today. Here's more from our health reporter, Aileen Moyna.
The IT issues which affected patient services in the Southern Health Trust may have been resolved, but the impact is still being felt. Whilst community services are expected to operate as normal today, most planned surgeries and outpatient hospital appointments remain cancelled and will be rescheduled.
It's a biopsy, actually, of the tongue. And it was caught by the dentist. Initially, it was a red flag referral, which, as far as I'm aware, means that you should be seen within 14 days. We actually got a phone call to confirm that the appointment is cancelled and there's nothing they can do. They'll be in touch to get him another appointment.
Recognise that distress, and as do my colleagues, and we do sincerely apologise for that, but we will be making sure that we will support those patients over the coming days to get their appointments rescheduled.
A helpline has been set up for patients in the Southern Trust whose appointments or surgery has been postponed as a result of the IT issues. Lines will be open until 8 o'clock this evening. But what exactly went wrong?
Well, there was a hardware issue, and it meant that we weren't able to access our clinical systems, and that meant that we had to go back to pen and paper, effectively manual systems. Our priority was to keep patients safe, and that was the best thing to do.
It's not unheard of for technical outages to happen within modern computer systems all the time, and hence the need for redundancy, again, to have backups and other systems in place. But modern software is extremely complex, and the fact that it works at all quite often is amazing.
The Trust says ambulance services have been returned to normal at both Craigavon area and Daisy Hill hospitals, but as they remain under significant pressure, it's asking people to avoid coming to its emergency departments unless absolutely necessary, as it continues to prioritise critical care. The Trust says it will take some time for normal business to be fully restored, and it sincerely apologises again for the disruption. The Department of Health says the cause of the IT outage is not yet known, but an urgent investigation is underway. Aileen Moyna, BBC Newsline.